Shenzhen Mold Technology Company Limited was founded in 2013. It is a professional company which engaged in design, development, sales, both in domestic and abroad. Our building, which is located in DEFG, 19th floor, Zhuijun Business Building, Zhongxin Road, number 108, Shajing Baoan District, Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province, China. We have independent design, development of rapid prototyping, CNC precision machining, vacuum casting, sheet metal, injection mold sold around the world. We have experienced salespeople, strict quality inspector, professional shipping operator, all will work for you. We can do OEM and ODM. No matter you choose our current products from our website or you give samples for development, we will serve you in a good faith. For each process of production, we arrange our QC person to follow up the quality to ensure that every product can meet the customer's requirements. We can provide with big quantity and good quality. We pay attention to every detail, materials, quality, design, shipment, and customers' feedback. Our products go through strict procedures and strive for perfection. Looking back on the past and facing the future, we promise to continue launch new products and provide customers with high quality, reasonable price, and perfect service. On the basis of long-term mutual benefit and reciprocity, we warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to establish friendly cooperative relations with us for common development and a better future.